Now we take one question. Two long straight parallel conductors carrying steady currents IA and IB along the same directions are separated by distance d. If a third conductor carrying a current IC in the opposite direction is placed just in the middle of these conductors, find the resultant force acting on the third conductor. So the situation is like this. The wires A and B separated by distance d, carrying the currents in the same direction. The conductor C is placed between them and the direction of the current is in opposite direction. तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले तो जो डिस्टेंस है, जो फोर्स लगेंगे, एक तो A और C के बीच में और फिर B और C के बीच में. And the separation will be d by 2 and d by 2. So we see the direction also. Now you can see the currents are in opposite direction. So obviously the force on C will be in this direction, means this wire will repel this wire C. So this is the force FCA. Now we come to these two wires carrying currents. Again the currents are in opposite directions. So there will be the force of repulsion. So the force on C due to the wire B will be towards left direction. That is FCB. Force on C due to the wire B. It means the directions of these two forces are just opposite. We can write FCA mu naught upon 4 pi twice IA IC upon, and the separate distance is d by 2. We simplify it, so it will be mu naught upon 4 pi 4 I A I C divided by D, and that direction is towards right. Now the force on C due to B. So FCB, the magnitude of the force is mu naught upon 4 pi IC upon D by 2. So it will be mu naught upon 4 pi for IC upon D, and the direction is towards left. Now if we assume that IA is greater than IB, so definitely the force FCA will be equal to greater than will be FCB. So the directions are opposite, so the net force will be the difference between them. So net force per unit length will be सी ए minus F C B. We put the values mu naught 4 pi 4 I A I C divided by D minus mu naught upon 4 pi 4 I B IC by T. So the value will be equal to, we take the common, we simplify it, mu naught upon 4 pi, we take common 4 and IC and T. So it will be I A minus I B. अगर थोड़ा और सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो दिस 4 विल बी कैंसल्ड एंड द डायरेक्शन विल बी, डायरेक्शन क्या होगी, डायरेक्शन होगी जो ग्रेटर फोर्स है उसकी में डायरेक्शन में, वो है ड्यू टू ए, सो इट इज टुवर्ड्स राइट, जो डायरेक्शन एफ सी ए की थी.